Grade 10 writing section, letter, business or official letters, letter of inquiry. These are written to an organization or an institution when an individual or any other organization wants to inquire about something based on which a business deal can be initiated. Now, letter of inquiry, the letter written for the purpose of knowing about the quality, quantity, and price of the goods and the conditions of business are known as inquiry letters. These are the foundation of business relations. There is a good saying that goods well bought are half sold. Letter of inquiry may be solicited or unsolicited, or for some favors or a routine inquiry. Now, solicited inquiry, an inquiry which is made in response to the seller's advertisement and publicity, and unsolicited inquiry, an inquiry which is made at buyer's own initiative. Now, routine inquiry, and an inquiry is made by an old buyer in the usual course of business. For an example, Mr. Sudhir wants to go to Jaipur with his family by car. Thus, he decides to write a letter of inquiry to Guild Travels and Tourism, inquiring about the availability of a car, the types of car available, charges, night charges, if any, and driver charges, etc. So these all are included in letter of inquiry. Hints for drafting an inquiry. Purpose of the letter: for goods, services, information, etc. Source of information: through advertisement by a business friend, popularity in the market. Describe your needs clearly and precisely. Request the seller to quote his price and terms of payment. Hints for drafting an inquiry: ask him for a sample price list catalog. Ask for terms relating to discount, credit, mode of delivery, package, etc. Give an idea of the quantity you need. Inquire about guarantee and warranty. Indicate your required time of delivery. Now, useful sentences which could be used in this, and format children will be discussing in the class also, and I'll upload the format of letter of inquiry in OneDrive also. Format is all the same: sender's address, then date, receiver's address, then subject, salutation, and closing salutation. So, inquiry for prices: please quote your lowest rates for the following items. We shall be grateful if you would kindly inform us of the terms and conditions of supply of whatsoever the inquiry is. We are interested in whatsoever is provided to us, which you recently advertised. Now, some more useful sentences for letters of inquiry. Request to send price list or catalog. Please send your latest price list brochure for our reference. We invite you to submit your most competitive quotation. We would like to have a copy of your latest price list or catalog. These lines are required, and which are used in second or the concluding paragraph. See children, three paragraphs are there. One is introductory paragraph, that is all about reference of your advertisement. Then main paragraph, which includes the asking of details, and the concluding paragraph that deals with asking for prompt reply. Now, some more useful sentences for letters of inquiry. Request for special cash discount if possible. As orders are large and regular, we expect you to quote most competitive prices. Then these lines are used in concluding paragraph. We would like you to give us considerable trade discount. If your prices are competitive, we shall give you this contract. Now some more useful sentences for letter of inquiry. Terms of payment: we would like to deal with you on COD or CWD basis. We shall pay the bill at the time of delivery of goods. Means these lines are written in the concluding paragraph. The last, when you like write line, kindly furnish me with the following details. Thereafter at the end you write, it shall be highly appreciated if the details are provided to us at the earliest. Expected date of delivery, like I told you right now only, we would like you to execute our order within dash of placing order. Please let us know whether you can supply the goods from your ready stock. Now there should be a courtesy ending, means a polite ending. We look forward to receiving your letter along with the latest price list or catalogs soon. As we need these goods urgently, we shall be grateful for an early reply. We would really appreciate an early answer. See, while ending the letter of inquiry or whatsoever letter you are ending, please ensure that you end the letter in a very polite manner. So, children, in the next class, we shall discuss how to write a letter of inquiry. We'll even discuss the format, and in OneDrive, I'll upload the format and some sample letter of inquiry so that you can further practice on the same. Thank you, children. I hope letter of inquiry is clear to you.